Alright, you ready to do this, Mia? Here comes my blue paint. Woo! Yes! And I'm ready with some yellow paint too. Time to take our squeegees and put them to use. Ooh, I really like how slick it feels using the squeegee. Now let's see. What do you think, Mia? Did we create art? Yeah, we did.
What did you do? Did you just paint the wall? Do you think this was art or something?
Yeah, it looks like art to us. Or, well, maybe not.
Oh, take this!
Whoa! Look at this place! He must have used magic! Well, now what? We're here, but we're totally bored. At least this table makes a pretty decent drum. Yeah, that's a great beat. Let me add some of my own.
Ooh, I definitely need to take this quiz later. I really enjoy my relaxing time in the bathroom. Wait a second. Oh, are they making banging noises now?
We're so great at table drumming.
They're so noisy! They're disturbing my relaxation!
Whoa! What is this? Toilet paper? Whole rolls of TP?
You too! You've got so much time on your hands, huh? Well then, time to make some art out of toilet paper! Now get to work!
Well, what the heck are we supposed to do with this? I've already got a plan. And it's gonna need this bowl of water. I'll need to add some white glue to the water, too. Ooh, look at all that glue. Next up, time to add some black paint to the glue water. I like how it's all just sitting in the bottom. But I need to mix it up now. I'll just use my paintbrush. It's so black. I think that's enough mixing. I'm gonna roll some toilet paper in between my hands. This should do just fine. I'm gonna dip it into the black liquid. Wearing gloves, of course. Good. Now to my drawing. I'll just put this right where the eye goes. I'll just fill the whole space with my little black orbs. Can't forget to do the other eye. This one is in the shape of an X. I can use it for the mouth, too. Good thing I already made this light blue color, too. For drool. I also need to put some white in the eyes. And then the darker blue. Well, what am I gonna do? I have an idea now. I'm gonna start rolling this toilet paper around my hand and arm. Well, I need to add a yellow crown to my picture. Keep wrapping, keep wrapping. I'm done! Oh, Hazel, what are you doing? Aw, man, I'm out of toilet paper. Now what? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna help you out. Just gonna sneak over here and take some more TP.
Oh, I can't believe she wore that outfit for this article.
Got it! Now I just need to get back to Hazel. What's taking her so long? Oh! Thanks so much, Mia. More toilet paper is exactly what I need. Whoa, you're really using all that TP, huh?
This is the best magazine I've read in a long time. Well, I've read the whole thing. I guess I better get out of here. Ah!
I can't believe you managed to get so much more.
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to resort to this.
Keep going, Hazel. Whoa! You did it! You completely covered yourself! You look like a mummy! Oh, here comes that guy again!
Alright, I'm here to check on your artwork. Oh my, how lovely! That's such an interesting method you used to create your art. Very nice job, Mia. Oh! What the… No! Be gone! No mummies allowed in here!
Hey, it's actually me! Isn't it a lot of fun?
No, not at all. I hate mummies. Mia is the winner of this round.
What? Aw, bummer. Well, we're back to being bored once more. Just watching whatever this is. I have to say, though, that she does have some pretty beautiful hair. Yeah, hair on her face and chest.
Oh. Alright, back to the challenge.
Oh, okay, we're focused and ready.
Good, because we're gonna be using crayons.
Ooh, crayons. That could be a lot of fun.
Alright then, catch!
I've got one too. I guess we can work with this.
Good, because I want to see what you can do with the crayons.
Well, I guess we should get to work. Let's grab some canvases. I wonder what I should make. Oh, Mia's already getting to work. Yep, I've got some cute little silhouettes I cut out of paper. And I'm gonna tape off some of the canvas too. Now I can stick the crayons to it to hold it in place. Now I need a bit of plastic. I cut it into a shape so it'll cover my silhouettes. And I need some extra help with direction, as you'll see. I'll use this glass. But I need to make sure it stays in place, so I need rubber bands. Well, I guess I better get started with something. First things first. Might as well take out some of these crayons. Yellow is a great color to start with. Time to start making art. Yes! I really feel this medium in my bones. That's enough yellow. Time for some red. Ooh, Mia has all these colors lined up. They look so pretty. Well, hey, I can do something similar. Come here, crayons. I'll just lay them all over my canvas like this. Each a different color. This is great! Making art is the absolute best! Okay, my canvas is ready to take the next step. It's art time! Good thing I always bring my most powerful hairdryer. No, the crayons don't need their hair dried, but they do need some heat. Just gotta go back and forth over all these crayons until they start to melt. The wax is melting! I can't stop now, though. I need a lot more melted wax. And that's good enough. Good job, hairdryer. Okay, now let me finish up with this canvas. Gonna use some black paint and create a ground for them to stand on. Can't forget grasses and other plants. And once I remove the plastic and glass, it's done. Time for me to use the hairdryer trick as well. Oh! What the? You got hot crayon all over my face! Oopsie. I can't believe you! Sorry. Here's a tissue. Would that help?
Oh! Now Hazel, that was not a great thing to do to Mia. And because of that, Mia wins.
Ugh. Well, I guess that's only fair. Especially since I didn't finish.
Good job, Mia. It's very pretty art. These ingredients sure do look fresh and tasty. Let me just start with these eggs. I'll give this one a little crack.
You know, I really do think we could be in a band together. Or at least be the percussionists in an existing band.
Are you kidding me? They're back to banging on things and making noise? They're not listening to me at all! Hey!
Oh! I got it! Wait, what's this?
Instead of making noise, make art using that.
Oh, okay, we can do that. Right, Hazel? Let me start off by cutting a strip. Got my little egg domes. Now I need a palette. And paint, of course. I'll just add little blobs of paint to the palette. Got the red and orange and now a good amount of yellow. Isn't this blue just the most beautiful color? And I do love purple. I've got my little brush, so now it's time to get painting. Each one of my little egg cups is getting a makeover. It's already looking so cute, but I'm not done. I made little paper eyes that I need to add up front. And I also crafted little paper antenna, too. He looks happy, so let's give him a little smile. Aw, isn't my little caterpillar so adorable? Okay, I've got this egg carton. Now what should I do with it? Separate it. Now I've got pieces that I've painted different shades of blue. I've got this piece of paper that I folded in half like so. Now I'm gonna trim the loose side so I can open it and have a little guy. But let's actually make this little guy a girl with some hair. I'll just plop that on. Oh my gosh! She's already so cute! In fact, I think she needs a little hairpin. How about a start? I'll put it right here on her hair. Maximum adorableness! Okay, I need to calm down because I'm not done yet. There. Now she has some clothes and a face. What about the little painted egg cartons? I need to use this knife to carefully add a slit in the top. This string will come in handy for the next part too. I'm just gonna poke the end of the string through the hole I made. Then I've gotta pull some of it through. There. That should be good. Let me just add a knot on this end so it can't pull back through. I don't need that excess, so it's okay that I snipped it off. Now let's see. She's the cutest little mermaid ever! One day, little caterpillar, you're gonna fly so high.
Oh, you're done with your art projects. So Mia is the winner. But so is Hazel. Congrats! Excellent job!
Yay! Our mermaid and caterpillar were successful! I can't stand how cute these little guys are. And they're so squishy. Ugh, the cute is off the scale. Not to mention they're so stretchy, too.
Hazel, check it out. She's all blah 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 on the phone. No, I know. I couldn't believe it either. They'd only been dating 3 weeks. Wait a second. I can't believe they got married. I've gotta deal with someone having the wrong kind of attitude. Oh, crud! That's right. Make some art with a phone case since you think you're so great. Here. Now get to work before I get even angrier.
What should I do with this? Oh, I know. I've got my blank case and now I need to start drawing on it. Gotta be careful, though. This is a permanent marker. I think this blank case needs some color on it to liven it up. Can't go wrong with yellow, of course. I'll make some little polka dots. Oh my gosh, this little corgi's turning out so cute! Better add some color to his fur. He's really starting to come together. This might be the most adorable artwork I've ever made. Now to add some petals to my polka dots to turn them into flowers. And now to add some squishy balls for the corgi bum. And actually, I think I'll add some air. For some bubbles. They have bubble behinds after all. Just a little bit more. Okay, that should be good enough. I'll just finish this case with some hearts too. And again, they definitely don't need to be perfect to be pretty. Okay, we're both done decorating our phone cases.
Ooh, they both look very nice.
But wait, I have to show you something with mine. You can pop the bubbles.
What? Oh my, that is really something fantastic! Bravo! Mia is the winner of this round.
What? That's not fair. She used props.
You can press it.
Aw, thanks. This is so exciting.
Cool! Yes!
Aw, that's not fair. What a stupid game. Let's go.
We need the paint. Perfect!
Point me in the right direction.
Quit it! Let me help! That's it.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I can totally do this. A little more. Okay, I think I'm good.
I was hoping we'd see some real animals. Here goes. I'll start with the face. This isn't going to plan. That's awful. Let's try this again. I'll draw a fish. That'll be straightforward. That's even worse. Why is this so difficult? Okay, let's go for a cute dog. That's not a dog, it's a mess! Ugh, this is really frustrating. What am I gonna do?
Where's my paint? I'm ready to start. Oh, found it! Ugh! This feels so gross! I need to get this off! Ugh! It's so annoying!
Sky, you need to see this.
What? So?
Just wait. Let me stick these eyes to it. It's so funny.
It's a crab!
I like it. What do you think we'll get next?
Alright, you two. Are you ready? It looks like your selection this time is boy. I'm interested to see what you come up with.
I'm kinda bummed about this one. Not gonna lie. Huh? Oh no! I'm out of snacks! Now that's something to be bummed about. Well, now what am I gonna do? Hang on a second. I've got this empty plate now. Yep, this is totally gonna work. I've got a great plan.
What are you even doing over there with that plate and marker? I don't get it. Why are you drawing on the plate like that?
Don't worry about me. I know what I'm doing. Gonna just finish up my little stick man on this plate.
Boy. What should I draw for that? I'll try with my words again. That seems to work well for me. Okay, there we go. Boy. Now it's time to transform it. Give him some glasses and now some hair. Looking good. Can't forget your ear though. Or his chin, nose, and mouth.
Alright, I've got my stick man. I think he needs a balloon, too. There. And he needs a string so the balloon doesn't fly away. Ugh. There's something in my teeth. It's obnoxious. No good. Maybe something to drink will help. Gulp. Maybe a little better, I think.
I think you need some orange hair. Just a little bit more and your hair will be good to go. Alright, you want a green shirt? Sure thing. I'm done!
No! You spilled water all over my guy! He's drowning! I have to do something to save him! No, no, no! Stickman, don't panic! Wait. Something's happening. Something's going on with my stickman. You're right. He can't drown because it floats.
He's so cool! I love him! You did a great job!
I win this one? No way! That's amazing! Okay, let's spin this wheel again.
Aw, would you look at that? You got dog this time.
I know what I'm gonna do. It's in my hat. What? A rubber chicken? Where did this come from? I know it's in here somewhere. Wait, is this what I need? Nah, I don't really play that much anymore. Come on, this hat can't be that big.
Is that a quarter? Is that what you were looking for? Oh, there's one for me too. Don't mind if I do.
Phew. Who knew my hat could hold so many things? Okay, I need this pen.
I don't get it. What are you doing with your coin over there? I'm using it as a tracing guide. I need a couple of circles. I don't get it. Wait, I know what to do. I hope you're all working hard over there. Okay, I'm gonna need my hoodie pulled over my head. I'll be right back. Hey there, how about I give you this and you lend me your dog? Thanks! Oh my gosh, who's a cute little good boy?
My name is Patrick.
Smile! I just need to get a couple of photos of you. You're so cute! You could be a model! Eee! Here you go. Thanks so much. Got my oval colored in except for that circle. I've added those little lines and dots. Now to draw his head. And some eyes, too. He's really starting to come together. Can't forget his ears, of course. A doggy needs his ears. And a body, too. And finally his tail. Now to color him in. I think his ears need to be a brown color. And his feet and cheeks. Done! Phew! I made it back and no one noticed I was gone. Just gonna finish up right here. Teacher, I'm done. Here's my picture of a dog. I'm done too! Oh my gosh, look at that cute little angel face. You win! She didn't even draw that! How would you decorate a phone case? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.